You know?
I'm pescatarian.
Oh, you're a pescatarian?
Yeah.
I might have a fish in here. Where'd I put the fish?
So be careful, with beef now.
Yeah.
It leads to early disease when you get older.
Nah, I'm 29, I'll live forever. That's true, yeah. Man, I'm 29, I'm gonna live forever.
You're not 29.
I'm 29, yeah. How old are you?
29. I'm gonna tell you, you're between the ages of mid-35 to 45 years old.
Oh, nailed it! He's dead in the middle of that.
You're about at least 45.
45? You think I'm 45 years old? Joe, just open mouth sneeze on the wall. One more time in the same spot. Ew, it's gonna make me gag. Oh, God. Wipe up that sneeze again. It's funny. Do it right now. He's videotaping you. Joe, go in the other room and come running back and sneeze on the wall. Hey, so man, did you get the facts that we sent?